This 2024 Palomino Backpack Edition SS 1500 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Tucson, Arizona, 85704 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tucson. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 14 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 15 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features U-Shaped Dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.